Para sa ating unang Tagalog word ngayong taon, for our first Tagalog word this year, kung sa Ingles, ang sinasabi natin ay I hope at I wish kapag nagpapahayag ng kagustuhan natin na magkaroon o makamtan ang isang bagay na nais o gusto natin. Ang katumbas nito sa Tagalog ay sana. Sana. While in English, we say I hope and I wish when expressing the desire to have or to achieve something that we want. In Tagalog, the word is sana. May mga naiisip ba kayong mga halimbawa? Do you guys have examples in mind? I wish or I hope. I wish I can read minds. I wish I can read minds. Sana nakakabasa ako ng isip. Sana nakakabasa ako ng isip. Isa pang halimbawa, another example, I was about to call you. I was about to call you. Tatawagan sana kita. Tatawagan sana kita. Also, sana along with verbs and pronouns, like for example, gaya halimbawa ng magluluto sana ako. Magluluto sana ako. Now here, it is used as the equivalent of was about to. I was about to. In English, we say was about to when we ended up not doing what we planned to do, either because we just didn't push through it or something came up that prevented us from doing what we planned to do. Well, in Tagalog, like I said, we say sana along with verbs and pronouns. So, let's go back to our example. Magluluto sana ako. I was about to cook. I was about to cook, but my friend called me to pick her up. Magluluto sana ako, pero tumawag ang kaibigan ko para sunduin siya. Magluluto sana ako, pero tumawag ang kaibigan ko para sunduin siya. So that's all for our Tagalog word of the day, at gusto ko lang din pong also would like to say thank you sa comments nyo sa aking YouTube story about my shirt. Gusto ko sanang mag-respond or to comment back, pero hindi siguro talaga pwedeng mag-respond or mag-reply. So, thank you po sa comments nyo, and kung gusto nyo po itong shirt, you can find the shirt sa aking Teespring shop. I'm going to put the link under the info section. So, pwede nyo pong bisitahin yung shop. That's all. Until next time.